Happy holidays, my friends! It's me again, and I want to share with you my another chicken recipe. Japanese chicken basket with tulip chicken. When we say chicken basket, fried chicken and French fries are arranged in one basket. And chicken tulip was so popular when I was little, it looks cute and easy to eat. I remember eating at birthday parties, but my son doesn't know it, surprisingly. Let's get started. Make a cut on the tip of the wing, just a little bit down from the joint, but do not cut it off. Make a cut between the two bones in the wing that runs parallel to each other. Push down the meat to expose the bone and pull out the thinner bone. By the way, do not throw away the tip and bones. You can make delicious chicken stock. You can use a knife to push the meat down to make it easy. Cut the tip off and shape the chicken to make a tulip shape. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of salt. Pat dry and dust with the same part of potato starch and all-purpose flour. Leave it for a while preparing potato for about 30 minutes. You can make ahead the day before. Peel the potato and cut it into sticks. Release in cold water to remove any excess starch. Boil until half done with a little bit of salt. Drain and let it dry. Place the frying pan with oil for frying over medium heat. When the oil reaches 160 degrees Celsius, put in the potato and deep fry until golden brown for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now put in the chicken tulips, removing the excess flour. When the outside starts to harden, turn it over and keep frying for 6 to 7 minutes until golden brown. Drain and transfer to a basket. Serve with lemon wedges and herb salt if you want. Chicken tulip is a nostalgic food for me, but isn't it a good idea for holidays? Kids will love it. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!